Paano naman yung nanliligaw ka tapos hindi ka sinagot? Tapos nag-good morning sa'yo kahit walang kayo or nag-update? Sana masagot. So first and foremost, no, I will assume na you are already 18 years old and above. Well, kung ganyan si Garillo, it can only mean two things. It's either she only wants you as a male orbiter lang, meaning na gusto ka lang niya na nandyan lang sa paligid-ligid, just in case na hindi mag-workout ang mga bagay-bagay sa kanya tsaka sa talagang gusto niyang guy. Parang backup ka lang ba, ganun? O kaya, number two, ay gusto ko talaga niya pero mali lang talaga yung approach mo sa panliligaw sa kanya. Like, kunwari, pinapressure mo siya o baka lagi ka lang talagang available sa kanya. You pursued too much. You texted her too much. Ang daming mga reasons, to be honest, ano. Ang first advice na mabibigay ko sa'yo, Sigarilyo, is to follow me here. Kasi marami talaga ako nakikitang mga lalaki na ganito, halos the same kayo ng mga issue. But anyway, I digress. So you got rejected dito sa panliligaw kay Ating, pero she keeps reaching out to you. Ang gusto natin malaman ngayon ay kung ano ba talaga ang intention sa'yo ni Ating. Kung gusto ka lang ba niya as a male orbiter, which of course we don't want that kasi to be honest malakas makababa yon ng value as a person, or kung talagang meron siyang gusto sa'yo. Ngayon, in order to do this, the next time she reaches out to you, and when I say she reaches out to you, I mean na siya dapat yung mag-initiate ng contact sa'yo. And kapag ginawa niya na to, all you have to do is kumustahin mo lang siya saglit and then ask her out on a date na kagad. If she accepts, then yeah, meron kang pag-asa sa kanya. But if she declines, that only means na she only wants you as a backup lang. And take note lang, Sigarilyo, na if you're gonna be asking her out on a date, make sure na it's a romantic evening date. Hindi yung pa-movie-movie, pa-coffee-coffee, lunch date lang. Because those kinds of dates are only meant for friends lang talaga. Friendly dates lang yun, ika nga. Instead, you should take her out to dinner, grab some drinks, or any activity that will get you closer and closer to her physically until you end up inside of her. Kasi yung mga Sigarilyo, no, ang definition of date is creating a fun-filled romantic evening for sex to happen. Alright, so if she rejects her invite naman, pero she keeps messaging you, ganito ang gawin mo, Sigarilyo. If she says something in the lines of, good morning, and then you say, good morning din. Exchange a few conversations, like 2 to 3 messages lang. After nun, you have to say na, I gotta go na, I have work pa kasi, o kaya may lakad pa ako. Take care though. Keep in touch. And then after that, leave her hanging. Huwag ka nang mag-chat sa kanya. At this point, you should let her do 100% of the pursuing. And all you have to do is just keep doing that. And then eventually, one of two things is gonna happen. It's either she will stop messaging you entirely, or she will be the one initiating getting together with you. If she does initiate getting together with you, then all you have to do is set up a definite date and then cut the conversation na kagad. No need na i-chat mo siya the whole day kasi lalo lang bababa yung attraction level ng babae towards sa'yo. Trust me. The idea here is to keep her anticipation level to the max leading up to your date. Kung in between the days leading up to your date, lagi na kayong magkausap, syempre hindi na excited yung babae na makita ka. Bakit? Wala, kausap ka na niya the whole week eh. Kaya like what I always say here in my channel, phones are only used for setting dates, not to get to know someone. Good luck sa'yo, Sigarilyo, and I hope nakatulong ako. Follow for more and mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.